Hi, my name is Ariana Gangani, and I am a 14-year-old neurotechnology enthusiast. I love the brain and the unique way it works, which is why I'm so excited to announce my new series called BCIs on the Rise, with your host, me. In this series, I'm going to be showing you guys the cool new projects that I make with BCIs, anything that I find interesting in the world of BCIs, and basically anything that I find interesting that I'd like to share with you guys. So before I jump in, you might be wondering what a BCI is. In long form, a BCI is a brain-computer interface. So basically, a BCI like the one that I'm wearing right now acquires my brain signals, analyzes them, and then translates them into commands. So now that you know what a BCI is, let's jump into my project. So for my project, I did how brainwaves can prevent bruxism. But wait, what's bruxism? Essentially, bruxism is teeth grinding. So how are brainwaves going to prevent teeth grinding? Well, let's jump into my project. So before we start, we have to make sure that the BCI, in this case the Muse headband, is connected and streaming. So if we look over here, it says stop streaming, which means the data and the EEG waves from my brain are being streamed using my Muse S 69A3. So now let's take a look at the code. If you look at this code right now, it's long and hard to read and has over 150 lines of code. But let me zoom in on a part for you here. And more specifically, right here. So what this line is saying is that after my BCI reads my brainwaves, it's going to print my delta waves. And the reason that I've chosen for it to print my delta waves is that because out of all of the waves, alpha, beta, gamma, theta, and delta waves are the most susceptible to small movements. So they're able to detect small movements like jaw movements, in this case grinding my teeth, or blinking. So if we move on to the next line here, it's an if statement, which basically says that if my delta waves go over 1, print the words jaw movement. So now that you know what that means, let's try to run the code. So I'm just going to open this up quickly so that you guys are able to see every single line of code that I run. So we're going to do a test. In this test, or experiment, I'm going to be grinding my teeth and showing you guys how my computer is able to detect when I grind my teeth. So if we click the run button at the top, so as you can see, my delta waves have started printing at the bottom here. Let's do one quick test. Okay, so let me stop streaming this for a couple seconds. So if you noticed, in the last part, I wasn't actually moving my jaw at all. Right around here, I was actually just blinking. But remember when I said before how delta waves are susceptible to small movements like jaw movements and blinking? So when I blink, it actually comes out as a jaw movement as well, because the delta waves go over 1. So a way that my experiment isn't biased is by doing the experiment by closing my eyes. So let's try doing this one more time. I'm going to start streaming this because the orange lights underneath show that my headband is on. Okay, so now it is streaming. I'm just going to wait for the battery to come up because that shows that your headband is in the right spot. Okay, perfect. So let's try doing this one more time. In this experiment, I'm going to be closing my eyes to make sure that the jaw movements aren't being biased by the blinking. So let's try that. So I'm going to close my eyes and I'm going to simulate grinding my teeth. And for the last part, I'm just going to keep my eyes open and not blink. And I'm going to move my jaw. Okay, so if we take a quick look at the data, every time that I moved my jaw or simulated grinding my teeth very extremely hard, my computer was able to detect that my delta waves went over 1, and therefore it printed the words jaw movement. So wait, how does this solve Bruxism again? Basically, through this project, I was able to get my computer to detect and tell me exactly when I was grinding my teeth. So let's just say somebody was wearing the Muse headband while they were asleep and grinded their teeth. Their computer would be able to detect this and let them know. So if this person was grinding their teeth, their computer would print it out and notify them that they were grinding their teeth. But bruxism is grinding your teeth in your sleep. So keep in mind that when I was doing the last experiment, my eyes were closed just to make sure that the data wasn't biased. And this is simulating when somebody is actually asleep and grinding their teeth. Thank you so much. I hope you liked this video, and stay tuned for my next one coming up soon. Thank you for tuning into BCIs on the Rise, and see you next time.